A famous writer once said, "Appreciation can make a day and even change a life." Your willingness to put it into words is all that is necessary. Our grade 6 pupils have not gone this far without the priceless help and support of those people who have molded them. Let us now listen to the batch cream of the crop, Rafael Colin Kawili, for his word of thanks. Let us give him a resounding applause.
Great journeys are not measured by how fast we reach the end, but by how much we grow along the way. Tonight, we are not just celebrating an ending. We are celebrating who we have become through the journey. And if there is one thing this journey has taught us, it is that growth is never easy, but it is always worth it. Growing up, I thought friendships would last forever. But today, standing at the edge of everything we've known, I realize that forever is not about time. It's about the moments, the laughter, and the people who changed us along the way. To Sister M. Christine L. Pinto, Order of St. Benedict, our school directress, Mrs. Maria Lucia S. Facundo, our grade school principal, our school administrators, faculty, non-teaching personnel and staff, PTA officers, parents, guardians, and guests. Good evening, Benedicite. My elementary years may seem simple when I look back, but they were filled with moments that quietly shaped me into who I am today. I started as a young learner, unsure, curious, and sometimes even afraid. Step by step, I learned how to read, to write, to solve problems, and to stand on my own. What once felt difficult became familiar, and what once seemed impossible became achievable. There were countless happy moments, like laughing with friends during recess, celebrating big and small victories, and feeling proud after doing my best. But my story was not made of happiness alone. There were also moments of disappointment, like losing competitions, feeling pressured to meet PETA deadlines, and times when I doubted myself and questioned if I could keep going. Nevertheless, those were the moments that imparted the most valuable lessons: resilience, patience, and most importantly, it showed me that failure is not the end. It is part of becoming better. As students shaped by Benedictine education, we were formed beyond academics. We were taught to live with discipline, to act with humility, and to serve with compassion. And we are deeply grateful to those who stood beside us and became the foundation of our success. To Holy Family Academy, thank you for providing an environment where we could learn, grow, discover our potential, and find our purpose. To our beloved teachers, especially to our former and current advisors, coaches, and mentors, thank you for your commitment wisdom, and care. You believed in us even when we struggled to believe in ourselves. You helped shape our future and inspired us to keep going. To our friends and classmates, we became each other's support system. Thank you for making this school year meaningful, fun, and unforgettable. To our parents and families, especially to my Mommy Kay, Lolo, and Lola, thank you for your endless love and sacrifices. Your unwavering support were the roots that grounded us and the wings that helped us soar, lifting us to dream and achieve more. At this moment, may I invite my fellow graduates to please stand and join me in giving our parents and families a well-deserved round of applause. You may now give your thank you letters to your parents or guardians. Thank you, fellow graduates. You may be seated. As we move forward, I leave you with a challenge. Carry the lessons we have learned. Strive for excellence, even when the journey becomes difficult. Choose what is right, even when it tests our strength. Remember, grades are just numbers. They don't define who we are. They are footprints, not the journey itself. What matters most is a strong heart, an upright character, and living the Benedictine values in our daily actions, especially in how we treat others. Let us make our families proud, give back to communities, and use what we have learned to make a difference. As I end this speech, I return to where I began, the journey. Tonight, we celebrate every step, the challenges we overcame, and the guidance and dedication that brought us here. This is not simply a farewell. It is a moment to cherish how far we've come and to look forward to the limitless possibilities and bright future ahead. Let's step forward with courage, excitement, and hope in our hearts. From grade 6, we move on to grade 7. Once again, my warmest congratulations, Batch 2026. The journey continues, and the best is yet to come, and that in all things, God may be glorified.